Okay. I was gonna say, if that says 35, I'm done. I already had it twice. I didn't need hit with it for a third. Oh, love that. To start typing and I didn't have it on the fucking thing. One moment.
Team deathmatch. Neutralize all threats.
Snipers down! Advance!
We've taken the lead. Stay on task. The lead is ours. You're falling behind, Crimson.
Got shot in the back. He's laying dick on rock. I feel like I might have to change my gun. I can't figure out... No, fuck this. We're gonna...
Hostile marksman destroyed! Get down!
Nah, this guy's fucking weird. Grooves, he's fucking weird. I just got tag teamed. Watch it. They're gonna come up behind you. I'm no you're dead too.
Throwing center, find cover! Snipers firing!
Enemy UAV inbound.
Front clear!
What the fuck?
Hostile counter UAV established above.
In front of you. Times 2.
Get down! Sniper!
Times 2. Oh, and behind. I'm only gonna watch the people behind, dude. I can't fucking...
Enemy RCXD detected.
From where? Because it didn't even let me watch my kill cam.